Day 21 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge is super short and sweet. Go on and ask FlyLady a question. Any question that you wanted to ask her, there's a section where you can go and ask her a question. We have been keeping up with our habits, which have been dressing to shoes, doing a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, a load of laundry, making our bed, a cleaning mission, a 15-minute email declutter. And by the way, we're in zone 1, which is the entry zone. Any of these that I've mentioned, you can put it in the afternoon or the morning, preferably if your schedule allows. In the evening, we've been shining our sinks, picking out our clothes, checking our calendar for the next day, and going to bed on time. All day we have been saying kind words to ourselves. By now we are seeing huge drastic results in our home. Let me know in the comments down below what has shocked you the most about this challenge, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 22 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.